Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password on the Bottlepay application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then go to the security section and tap on change PIN. Then you should open your email and as you can see, a link has been sent to you. So check your email and tap on the this message or the link, and then you should scan the QR code that has been sent to you. And as you can see, you should now enter your new 6-digit PIN number and confirm it by typing it again. As you can see, your PIN is now updated, so you can use your new one to log in. Tap on the button continue and you are done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.